So let's talk about regulation. So regulation of this acetyl coenzyme is very easy. We have already done the regulation. So you know, from glucose, citrate is formed in mitochondria, and citrate has two-fold function. One is production of acetyl coenzyme, and other is activation. First you can see activate, then it will produce acetyl coenzyme. So this activation, so citrate is stimulate allosteric regulation. Let's talk first about allosteric regulation. This citrate stimulate acetyl coenzyme A. Okay, you already know. And the end product inhibits reactant stimulates by feed forward stimulation, and product inhibit by feedback inhibition. So this is very simple to understand, feedback inhibition. So this is allosteric regulation. Now let's talk about this covalent modification. You know, this is the pathway that is active during fed condition, and fed condition means insulin will activate this. How does insulin activate? By dephosphorylation. Insulin, remember the formula I told you. Insulin means low CAMP, means protein phosphatase means dephosphorylation. So insulin does dephosphorylation. This is the father of all formula in biochemistry, in regulation. If you remember this, you will actually have command on almost all the regulation of pathway, this phosphorylation, dephosphorylation. So insulin is this, opposite is glucagon. Insulin means well-fed condition. So this is the formula you can use here. Insulin will do dephosphorylation and will activate, because this is the pathway active in fed condition. Now opposite function will be done by glucagon. So in fasting condition, you can see in fasting condition, glucagon will become high. So glucagon, this enzyme, the fatty acid synthesis has to be inhibited, because during fasting condition only fatty acid breakdown happens. How does this glucagon inhibit this? By activating CAMP, by increasing CAMP, and by activating CAMP dependent kinase, means protein kinase A. Both are same name, CAMP dependent kinase and protein kinase A. Both are same, and this kinase will activate this, and this enzyme do phosphorylation. Okay, protein kinase A will activate this through phosphorylation, and this will phosphorylate this, and when it is phosphorylated, it becomes inactive. So during fasting condition, this acetyl coenzyme is inactivated, so that fatty acid synthesis does not happen. So cell ensures during fasting condition only fatty acid breakdown happens, only fatty acid oxidation happens this way, by controlling acetyl coenzyme. In fed condition, this cell converts this acetyl coenzyme into active form by influence of insulin, and that is how fatty acid synthesis is ensured during fed condition, and fatty acid synthesis is inhibited during fasting condition.